Welcome back to Quiz Nebula TV. Only true animal experts can master today's challenge. Answer all 25 questions, test your knowledge, and see if you can score a perfect 25 out of 25. Let's begin. Can you guess which creature is more dangerous? Tick is considered more dangerous because it spreads serious diseases. Which unusual fish has a transparent head? Barreleye fish has a remarkable transparent head that reveals its eyes. Do you know the world's largest rodent? Capybara is the largest rodent on Earth. Which baby bird is born with wing claws? Hawks and chicks use tiny wing claws to climb through trees. Which sea creature stores stinging cells from its prey? Blue dragon sea slug stores stinging cells stolen from jellyfish. Can you identify the bird with a giant shoe-shaped bill? Shoebill is instantly recognizable by its massive shoe-shaped bill. Who has the strangest looking nose? Saiga antelope has one of the strangest noses in the animal kingdom. Which reptile can run across the surface of water? Basilisk lizard can sprint across the surface of water. Which bird uses its beak to sniff out food? Kiwi finds food by sniffing with its long beak. Which desert reptile collects water with its skin? Thorny Devil channels rainwater directly to its mouth through tiny skin grooves. Can you name the fish that seems to walk on the seafloor? Red-lip batfish uses its fins to walk across the ocean floor. Which bird is famous for copying almost any sound? Lyrebird can mimic chainsaws, camera shutters, and many other sounds. Who leaves behind cube-shaped poop? Wombat is famous for producing cube-shaped poop. Which tiny insect uses the Milky Way to navigate? Dung beetle uses the Milky Way as a guide while traveling at night. Which marine animal has a tusk that is actually a tooth? Narwhal has a long spiral tusk that is actually an oversized tooth. Which small mammal can glide through the air? Sugar glider glides gracefully from tree to tree. Who has blue blood instead of red? Horseshoe crab has blue blood because it contains copper instead of iron. Which animal sleeps with only half of its brain at a time? Dolphin lets one half of its brain sleep while the other stays awake. Which animal can completely regenerate a lost limb? Axolotl can regrow legs, parts of its heart, and even sections of its brain. Who is the fastest snake in the world? Black mamba is the fastest snake on Earth. Which bird builds the largest nest? Bald eagle builds one of the largest nests of any bird. Which mammal is the only one covered in scales? Pangolin is the world's only mammal covered in protective scales. Who can survive freezing temperatures without dying? Wood frog can freeze solid during winter and thaw back to life. Which animal has fingerprints almost identical to humans? Koala has fingerprints so similar to humans that they can confuse forensic experts. Finally, which animal is the world's largest living amphibian? Chinese giant salamander is the largest living amphibian in the world. You did it! Did you score 25 out of 25? Tell us in the comments. Like, subscribe, and join Quiz Nebula TV for your next animal trivia challenge. See you next time.